Hello dear students, very good morning. We are learning the chapter body movements, and in this chapter and in today's class you are going to study about what is movement, locomotion or the skeletal system, what are the functions of skeletal system. You are going to study about it. So what is locomotion? So locomotion means the movement of animals from one place to the other. It is called as locomotion. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲೋಕೋಮೋಷನ್. The two systems of the body that helps in movement are the skeletal system and the muscular system. Let us learn about them. Skeletal system. So students, have you ever visited a site where the building is under construction? So you must have observed a strong framework being created by joining iron rods alva iron rods id ಮಾಡಿ so they will so put the cement or a concrete. So do you see the framework once the building is complete? No, you cannot find, because all this framework is so molded, right? So the framework is no more viable once one building is complete. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ complete building ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರಲೆ so you cannot see the framework ಒಳಗಡೆ. So in the same way, likewise, so an adult human body too has a framework. Here you can see, right? This is the framework of our body. It is an adult human body. It has a framework. The skeleton, it is like a framework to the human body. And the skeleton has 206 bones. We can call it as a skeleton. We can call it as a skeleton. It has 206 bones. So the bones and the cartilage forms the skeletal system. So bones are hard while cartilage are elastic and soft. Okay, so nodi ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is bone. Okay, these are the bones. In between these two bones here, so you can see some small white color portion here, right? So here, so here the cartilage will be there. In between two bones, this cartilage will be there. So let us see some of the functions of the skeleton. So the skeletal system in our body performs the important functions. So the skeletal system provides support. It gives the support and gives the shape to the body. So how will your body be without the bones? So your body would just be it's a big mass of tissues and muscles. Bari muscles ಮತ್ತೆ tissues ಇಂದ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, and it does not giving a definite shape or a definite position. So do you think you would be able to stand tall without the skeleton? No, it is not possible. And second one is, the skeletal system protects the soft and delicate vital organs of the body. For example, brain. So brain and heart will be present in the lungs region, and the brain is present in the head region, that is skull, right? So brain is protected by this skull, because you know that brain is very delicate and it is important organ of a human body. So the brain is covered by the skull. So and the lungs, so in the lungs the heart are protected by a rib cage. A rib cage andre, so you can see the rib bones, right? So it is protected by the rib cage. So students, it plays an important role in the movement of the body parts, right? If you want to move it from one place to, it plays an important role in the movement of the body parts. And even our muscles, which is attached to the bones. So all the muscles will be attached to the bones. Okay, if you are a non-vegetarian, you are very well know about this. So these bones are attached with the muscles, and bones and the muscles work together. Okay, so it helps in the it work together to move all the parts of the body. And some of the bones encloses a soft tissues called as bone marrow, which is a blood forming tissue. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೋ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸಸ್ ಎ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. And one more important is, these bones This bone stores important minerals such as calcium and phosphorus, which makes them strong and hard. Okay, the bones which store the some of the minerals like calcium and phosphorus, it helps in making the bones hard and strong. Mainly, this human skeleton consists of four basic parts. Okay, so first one is skull. Okay, head region, that is skull. Next is rib cage. So rib cage. Next, backbone. Okay, so backbone. Next is limbs. Okay, so these are very important. One is skull, rib cage, backbone, and limbs. So these are the four basic parts of a human skeleton. So next is types of skeleton. So usually there are two types of skeletons. One is exoskeleton, another one is endoskeleton. So exoskeleton means the hard outer covering on the body of some invertebrates. Invertebrates means the organisms which do not have backbone. We can call it as a invertebrates. Okay, so for example, cockroach. So a cockroach or a snail. So you might have seen, right, a snow snail as a outer covering shell. Shell ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that is the exoskeleton. And in case of cockroach also, you can see some hard covering, right? So the hard outer covering on the body of some invertebrates, it is called as exoskeleton. It protects the body. It is attached to the muscles and help in the movement. So animal like cockroaches and snails have a exoskeleton. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರದ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಶೆಲ್ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೋಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್. Endoskeleton is we can give this human body, birds, fishes and all. So it is a skeleton that is present inside an animal body. For example, take for example fish. So fish bones are always present inside and it is covered with a skin. In case of humans also, so the skeleton, it is present inside and it is covered by the muscles and skin. Endo means inside, exo means outside. Since these bones and skeleton system is present inside the body, we can call it as endoskeleton. It is a skeleton that is present inside an animal's body. So all the vertebrates means the organisms which have backbone, we can call them as a vertebrates. Examples for endoskeleton is organisms which is having endoskeleton means fish, birds and some animals like cheetah, humans. So these are having endoskeleton. Next is parts of the human skeleton. Mainly the human skeleton